so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm about to go check my post office mailbox. I got a lot of folks saying they're sending me stuff, so I'll see. But anyway, I'm going to give y'all a tour of my new blue living room. I'm going to turn this around. Okay, there's my blue drapes, same white shears. There's my new blue sofa cover. It's crushed velvet. It's so soft and stretchy. Very stretchy. Oh yeah, and I'm going to show y'all the secret to keeping your couch covers in. And I've changed this color scheme, how many times? 3 times since I've been in this house. And I've been here about 2 years. It started out with gray. Then I actually had cream. And I didn't like it, so I sent it back. Then I had burgundy. And now I got the blue. And I like it a lot. Look, I still got my furry throw pillows I made. And I ordered these pillow covers from Amazon. It was 6 in a pack. So they go well with the sofa. Okay. I changed my picture. I had a gray, red, and black picture over where that flower picture is. So I put that up. I'm going to paint me a bigger one. Oh, and the pictures you see in here, I painted y'all. Let me show you. Painted that a long time ago. Let me show you. My daughter painted this, and I liked it so much she gave it to me. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? Okay, I painted this. It was one of my first. That was actually my second painting. And this was my very first painting, y'all. Look at that. I had 2 art classes. And let me show you the painting. This is one I like a lot. Look at that. And there's another one over in this corner. Here's a view of all some of my kitchen gadgets. Look at that. So I keep them in my dining room. I did have a curtain up here. I said, no, I'm going to rock my gadgets. I don't care what people think. It's my house. That's just some of them. Okay. There's the other big old window with my curtains. And I got them puddled on the floor because they're long. Okay, I changed my dining room chair covers. Look at that. It's a lighter blue. A nice soft fabric. Oh, the chair. Here's my chair. It matches the sofa. Okay, y'all. So that's my tour of my new blue living room. So I'll probably be doing a tour later on if I change again. And there's my furry throw rug that I really, really like. Okay. Okay, if you like this little mini tour of my living room, one person asked me about it. So here it is. What's her name? I don't know if it was Bonnie. I'm not sure who asked. But anyway, here it is, y'all. Okay, thanks for watching. You all have a very blessed day. Bye. Okay, I forgot to tell you what I promised. Okay, the secret to keeping couch covers tucked in. Pool noodles. You can cut the pool noodles to the size you need. They cut very easily with large shears. Let me take one out. Where is it? I don't want to mess up my nails. I just did. Okay. Okay, here's one. I cut this. See how it is? And just stuff it down in there. Push it as far as it'll go. And it'll help keep these these covers tucked in. And it's hidden. And just don't let your kids or your grandkids know. My grandkids had pool noodles all over the living room. Last time I had everybody over. Crazy kids. Okay, y'all. I'm going for good now. Bye.